Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2018 Ford Ecosport battery. Next, disconnect the negative terminal first to avoid short circuits and sparks. Wear gloves and safety glasses for protection as you work near acid and metal. Keep replacement battery upright and secure spare tools nearby. Follow torque specs when tightening terminals to prevent over-tightening. Double-check connections before starting the engine to confirm a successful installation and proper operation. Begin by loosening the negative terminal clamp first and remove it from the post to reduce risk of shorting. Next, loosen the positive clamp and lift the cable away. Remove the hold-down clamp that secures the battery and use both hands to lift the battery straight up, keeping it level. Place the old battery on a stable surface for recycling. Inspect tray and terminals for corrosion before installing the new battery. Place the new battery in the tray with positive and negative terminals in the same orientation as the original. Secure the hold-down clamp snugly, but avoid over-tightening, which can crack the battery case. Reattach the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, tightening to proper torque for a reliable connection. Apply terminal protector spray to reduce future corrosion. Finally, start the engine and check electrical systems for normal operation and steady voltage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.